Hi, bonjour class. Okay, I've had a few people have some questions about how to get to some assignments and how to turn in some assignments. So let's take a look at a few things. So first off, here's your weekly announcements right in the beginning, underneath announcements on the left-hand side here. I always tell people to please click on the appropriate week and it'll take you right to the lessons that we're learning on. So right now in the semester, if you started on September 5th, you just click on week 2 and I'll tell you the assignments that we should be getting done this week. If you haven't done these assignments yet, if you still are working on week 1, you need to make sure that you complete these assignments first before you move on. So next, when you finally get into the module, here in module 6, here's the assignments and the lessons that you'll be doing. When it says assignment, that's where you'll be turning in work. These other parts here, this is a pre-test and this is some culture. These are the lessons that you'll be doing, and then the activities will go along with the lessons. So, for example, here with Le Transport, this is the lesson, and this is the work that you'll be turning in. So notice that underneath here it says, please follow the directions indicated in the lesson. So if we were to click on Le Transport, it'll launch into our module. And then you have several activities. Notice here from the upper right-hand part here, these are all the different slides. So each one of these pages contains vocabulary and words that are part of the lesson to help you to be able to do the assignment. Usually on the last slide is the assignment. So when we click on the last slide there, here's our transport quiz. It says for you to take the quiz. And then it says here, if you notice this part of the transport voice activity, you have to click on it for it to open up the directions. So here in this voice activity, you're going to give directions to a friend who is visiting. You will tell your friend how to get to 3 places from your house. Choose 3 places from the list: the park, the cinema, the restaurant, the pool, and the beach. Use expressions such as a turn, traverse, tourne à gauche, tourne à droite, vas-tu droit, à côté de, and près de. So you're going to use all those to give your directions. For example, here's one sentence, okay, for one place. Pour aller au café, to go to the cafe. Tourner à droite, turn to the right. Vas-tu droite, go straight. À côté du cinéma, il y a le café. Across from the cinema is the cafe. Sorry about that. I got emails popping up here. So if you have any further questions, please feel free to email me, message me. But here, so once you take this, I would copy this and paste it into my assignment. So we were on the transport voice activity. So we go here. Yep, wrong thing. So the voice activity, sorry. And I would first type it into my document. So I'm going to go to Microsoft Word. First into my document, so I have my directions right there in front of me, and then I can type and then record myself. Okay, after you type and record yourself, then I would upload the document here, upload the voice recording, and then you're all set. Okay, if there's any further questions, please feel free to message me. Thanks.